New GoPro Hero 7 is coming out and we got the specs. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome everyone to 99Tubes. Last year we released a GoPro Hero 6 specs video before its release and it was pretty on point. And in this year we are waiting for GoPro Hero 7. Yes, the new flagship. With specs and its possible release date we will discuss in this video. Rumor is pics have been released from a Best Buy store, thanks to them. However, we are still waiting for the official release, which will be most probably on 20th of September this month, and delivery starts on 28th. Yes, as you can see here, there are three models coming: Hero 7 white, silver and black. I see missing front screen on white and silver. Best part, same form factor. For the specs, simply pause the video, and for the highlights, I would say Hero 7 black might get GP2 processor, hyper smooth stabilization better than Hero 6 definitely, and in my favorite would be live streaming directly from the camera, but not sure how. Must do something about the price and audio input. People might get discouraged if they reduce the price later stage because they simply cannot wait. They must have lower cost in the starting, at the launch. And thank you for bearing with this video quality, because Hero 7 must be great with more resolution, SDR and portrait orientation. One thing must be there in HD or 4K or 5K if available is linear mode. Yes, that is absolute need of the time. So I hope you like this video and do share with your techie friends and consider subscribing as well. Have a nice day. Stay tuned for more. So I hope it's useful and you like it. So hit the subscribe button, anyways it's free.